your mind. But yeah, look, I just think it is make it loudly and broadly known that that is what you want to do. Put your hand up for every opportunity. Make sure it's part of your formal and informal professional development to get exposure to that environment. And I have no doubt you'll be well on your way.
Today we have a guest who has a significant amount of experience in different type of industry and as an HR professionals. She also been a senior manager in human resources in RMIT University as well too. And after bringing so many experiences in industry, finally she decided to start helping other HR professionals to be successful in HR role. So now she's a lecturer of human resource management at Marcus Oldham College. And I'm pleased to introduce you today, Ket Gorman. Hi, Ket. Ket, how are you today?
Good, very well, thank you. And hello, everyone.
All right, let me go to the next question. The next question is coming for this one. It's coming from Twin. I'm in a HR field last 3 years. I'm in recruitment, but I would like to move up to training and development. What will be your advice for me to develop those additional skill to move to that function? I'm really passionate.
Yeah, I'm assuming that you're in-house. Is that right? Did she mention?
Yes, she's in-house.
Yes, in-house. And I'm hoping that there is a training and development team that perhaps is operating that you could potentially get some exposure to. My number one step would be to do that as much as you can. Seek, from your HRD or manager or whoever it is, an opportunity to spend some time with that team as part of your professional development, perhaps, to put that in your development plan and say, look, I want to spend, even if it's, a day, follow them around for a day, or, get a week that you can sort of sit and buddy and observe what it is that they do. Training and development has some sort of unique skill elements involved in it. So obviously there's things such as course design, which requires sometimes some formal training into how to design training courses, how to design assessment practices if you're doing a lot of in-house training. So I would also seek that as part of your development. If you can get access to some in-house or external training that will develop your training skills and knowledge, and then obviously an opportunity to observe, and whenever there is an opportunity to support and assist that team, I would be putting my hand up just to get that first-hand exposure. The more you can let people know that you're interested, if you're in-house, your manager, that team, the first person they'll ask for support will be you, and that is how you learn. So, show your passion and enthusiasm for that area, and you'll certainly be picked up to support that. And then when there's a vacancy within that team environment, you will be obviously pretty well shortlisted and interviewed for that job. If not, and that opportunity doesn't arise, all those other incremental steps that you get or that you take to be involved and show your interest, and any professional learning that you can do or development, you can then potentially take to another employer and get in at that level as well. So step across. I'm not suggesting that you should leave your employer at all, but if that's your passion and you're not given that opportunity where you are, then take those opportunities in-house and then move elsewhere. Nothing should stand in the way of your ultimate dream, but being able to do those incremental steps will just test to make sure that it is where you want to be. You'll get that exposure. Yeah, it'll either definitely say, yes, this is my career path, or you'll go, actually, it's not what I thought it was, and may change your mind. But yeah, look, I just think it is make it loudly and broadly known that that is what you want to do. Put your hand up for every opportunity. Make sure it's part of your formal and informal professional development to get exposure to that environment. And I have no doubt you'll be well on your way.
Great. This is very valuable point. I just want to summarize this. I think I have not much thing to add here. I think Ket was been so spot on about this one. So number one is about Spend time with the team. Number 2 is volunteer with them 1 or 2 days. Learn what they're doing. That's the best way. Tell them, hey, I want to work for them. And you know what? You could just do this. Take an annual leave from your job and spend that 2 days with that team. That is a clear indication for the team that what you really want, because that is related to number 6, which is about let them know what you really want. So when you're taking annual leave and you're doing a volunteer with the team, that already gave a clear signal of how much committed you are on that function. So that's my hack. Number 3 is about learn the business model, what they do, what kind of functions they're running into it. Number 4, about you need to learn about some course designing, planning, most likely, and you can do it if you probably in-house. There is some online program is there already. You can take it, or you can take a lot of material. You can go to Coursera, you can go edX, and you can find out, or Udemy, and you can find a lot of things from there. Or even you can just go to YouTube and how to design a course, and there's a lot of great videos. Even you can find in our channel, there's tons of material for that. You can find it as well too. Search YouTube, John Masud Parvez, and you can find it. Number 5 is about let the people know, and I already showed you how amazing the way you can let the people know that you're interested about it. Because when you're not speaking, not expressing, not doing, and I think this is the thing I really want to do it is when you speak, it's good, but when you take action, that really convinces people what you really want to do. So take actions. So that's why I said that annual leave, put that 1 days, be with them. They know that how passionate you are, how committed you are. But maybe you want to do this one after doing some course design thing. Don't look so newbies when you go there. Go with a little more values. Like 2 days, you're not just sitting down, but hey, can I give you a hand on this course you're designing? And then they'll say, all right, this girl already bringing something into the team. And number 6, stay passionate, which Kate just mentioned about. Sometimes it's just not, headcount is not there. Maybe they really need someone, but just simply don't have a headcount right now. And probably the end of the year to appear, and then you're ready and you move in. And number 7 is, Kate also mentioned about, you can look externally as well too, but only do it when you finish the top 6. Because there's no point to look bad in the interview when you are not ready. You have to something to show, to sell yourself, right? So after point 6, if you do 7 externally, probably you're going to kill it and you're going to get that role.
You probably wanted to see the whole podcast episodes where we share a lot of strategies. So don't forget to click this video right now so you can see the whole episodes where we share a lot of strategy. Click the video right now and I will see you there. Are you a leader or an HR professional? So for you, this is a great channel. So don't forget to subscribe.